If you're trying to check your Facebook views, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, before moving forward, make sure that your Facebook application is updated. Once done, launch your Facebook and get logged into your specific Facebook account where you would like to see the video views. Tap onto your profile. Scroll below, tap on videos. Then you will see videos in format of reels. In my case, you can see that I have this first video and it shows 43 views just beside the eye icon. And this way you can easily see all the views that this reel or this specific video got. You can also see if you scroll below, it says 43 views just on your right hand side. And just like so, this views will be available for every videos that you have ever uploaded in your profile. So guys, thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.